Thank you so much, ma'am. Very good evening to all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Yes, audible, sir.
Thank you, sir. First and foremost, I'd like to thank the organizing team for conducting such a nice topic. And really, it is going to be the right time exploration for all the researchers and academic scenario people here. Now, I am going to give some overview about the collaboration of research projects and how it is going to be netted out. We are in the position to maximize the opportunity for giving a productive research success. In this context, I want to start this presentation with few questions here. We are all having some questions in our mind. One is like, I'm publishing good number of articles, but when it comes to citation rate, the amount of citation is not up to the mark. How to increase the citation? That is the first question all are having in our mind. Am I right? And how to increase the citation and how it is going to impact on my research projects. So in this regard, we are going to have you a clear-cut insight on there are various academic research networking platforms are available through which a research work can be plotted and it can create some sort of visibility to all the research scholars, and all the domain-based people can have a very good network among the peer team that will going to have a clear-cut objectives and that will show maximizing the results in your research area. And the moment I talk about collaboration on research projects, how to collaborate. And we are all nowadays talking about lot of academic profile management systems, like that may be Google Scholar, ResearchGate, and Web of Science and Scopus ID. There are so many academic profile management systems are available. Moreover, topping to that, all the research scholars and academic professions should have a clear-cut idea about ORC ID, Open Researcher and Contributor ID. Am I right? And that is going to create more visibility to all the research scholars and academic people over here. They are doing a lot of work, but is it visible to the research arena? And what are the recent research work you are doing? How it is known to the research group? Do we have any answer? Then that's fine. Here, I am going to give you overview about how we can collaborate and what kind of impact you can create for research collaboration. This collaboration of research project and networking are the crucial for growth and innovation, especially if you take in academic and professional research environment. We are in the position to collaborate in order to create more awareness and citation among the peer group. Working with one or more researchers to sharing the expertise, ideas, and resources within the same field or interdisciplinary. The research is happening not only the core, it is happening within various subjects. The computer science people are getting aligned with all the sectors right now. We cannot separate computer science as a separate discipline. Hereafter, we can tell you now, without data, without computer science application, all the sectoral applications are not possible. This is the way we are now related to. Even we are developing any product, how it is getting computed, how it is going to be generate content for the outside world to the sectoral people. We need a totally bounded by the computer science applications right now. So it is inseparable. So that kind of interdisciplinary work is now going to happen. It's happening now. What kind of collaboration we are going to do with that? And the purpose of collaboration is very clear. We need to do a proper output on our creativity, and which really helps to enhance your innovation part. And it helps to pool the resources and expertise. You are very good at various domain area, but how the outside world or the domain-based people will come to know that. They will come to know only it has to be than collaboration with the people over there. And it really helps to increase the project visibility and impact. Some people are known to the peer group, how they are known to others because of the work what they have done and because of the visibility created for the researcher. We are telling them this people this guy is good at this area, this guy is good in this platform. How we are able to identify these are all truly depends on the visibility created over the academic arena. In that context, that collaboration alone helps a lot to create more visibility, to enhance your innovation and creativity, and also it helps to share the knowledge and resources and expertise among the peer group. And what are the challenges? Maybe we will get it. That also we need to think about, right? The major importance of research collaboration is we have a lot of changes. For an example, we have our own resources, we have our own bounded environment which may not have exploring all the resources available throughout the world of literature. In that context, this collaboration really makes a sense and it helps you to get and pull out the resources available throughout the world of literature. And it also helps to build capacity and develop your skill set. For that, this collaboration is very much important in order to tackling the complex problem. Many of the problems are nowadays not getting resolved if you are isolated, if you are not dealing with the outside world. If you are totally dealing, you are working with your own network or your own group, you may get the only the identical research problems and conclusions. But if you want to get diversified solution for various problem statements, in that context, we are in the position to do collaboration. That reveals a lot of result among your peer group. And it is going to innovate new things for the society. The research collaboration really enhances the research output as well as the societal problems. It really going to give a output, better output for the societal development. This collaboration is very much important to enhance the creativity and innovation, access to resources and expertise, and it really helps to increase the impact and visibility, right? There are 5 types of collaboration is possible when it comes for the academic and research arena. One is collaboration within the academic institution. And for publication, what we people are doing, we are collaborating with our own faculty, our own department, and our own staff. This is called the collaboration happens within the academic institution. That helps to create more number of publications among the institution. And when it comes for collaboration with other academic institutions, SRC may collaborate with other academic institutions like NIT and with Bardhasan University and with other known research institutions like CSIR, NIT and all. So what happens? This will really benefit the mutual institutions through sharing of expensive and limited resources. So this is also very much important. The moment we call about collaboration, with other academic institution, what happens? It helps you to benefit it mutually, and you are going to share your resources, and you are going to share the expensive and limited resources among your people. So it really opens a door to have a more beneficiary among the research problems. Third thing is collaboration with the government entity. How it happens? Your institution is going to collaborate with government agencies for the societal in order to take action for the societal problems. In that sense, government is going to sponsor you and you are going to work along with the government body and they are going to implement the outcome really that's going to get directly to the society. So that is what the collaboration with the government entity. People can work with various ministries in the government. You are doing a lot of projects with that, even for conversion of salt water into drinking water. There are a lot of projects are going on. Various institutions are involved with that. I have several case studies for that too. In the forthcoming slides, I will show that. And collaboration with the private industry. Apart from academic institution, apart from government entity, the collaboration may happen with the private industry also. There are a lot of industries are ready to pick up the projects from the academic institution if there is a innovative projects, innovative ideas that can be accommodated, that can be taken by the industry, and for that, that institution will be paid off, and that institution can grow along with the industry products, and you can have a very good relationship and collaboration between the academic researchers and the private sectors. That will create more employment opportunities too. Many of the institutions are having that kind of collaboration among the industry as well as through their institution. This kind of impact really plays out when it goes for placement actually. Okay, and collaboration with international researchers. Many of the institutions are having, recently there was a top 2% scientist at Stanford University result got released. What happens? We are able to find various people from Tamil Nadu and India are traced in the 2% top scientists list. How it happens? They are all collaborating with the international researchers. That really increases the value for both the process and the outcomes by broadening the cultural perspective and applications of research project. So what are all the projects we have applied here that is getting collaborated internationally, and it is getting cited by the people who are all outside the world. So what happens? Obviously, it creates an arena to discover a product that all the world. This kind of different type of research collaboration may happen that really makes a sense to develop a new product, to identify the new solution for the problems which we are occurring and which we are facing in our environment, right? And are you able to see the slide changes, right? Participants, do you have any discrepancy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you able to
Yes, sir.
see, right?
Yeah, clear.
Why? It's clear, right? Okay. And why this networking is important again? I am talking about collaboration so far. Apart from collaboration, networking is also important. And this networking really expands your professional connections. So I may have our own regional group, but it can be enhanced if you are collaborating and if you're networking with your own people, your own domain people who are all sitting outside the world, outside your region. So that makes a sense. They may give a new updates and what kind of collaborations and what kind of opportunities are available, what are the new trends and basic lines are happening. That can be done by using this network. This network really have a wonderful opportunity for all the researchers. For academic people, ResearchGate, as I told you, I can take one by one examples like this. ResearchGate is one of the Research Connect platform, academic Research Connect platform. Even your institution may not have any subscription for the particular research article where you are working in. In that connection, if you have a proper networking in your domain by using this ResearchGate account and all, what happens? Whatever the resource you are looking for, you can thrown away in the social networking platform called ResearchGate. Immediately, people, those who are relating to your domain and people actually available on that particular domain area, they can share an article to you. So that kind of connect and that kind of network, it resolves your problem and it gives a solution to the research work where you are working in. And this networking creates a very good opportunity for the future collaborations. You may not aware about some people, those who are working in Kyoto University. You may not aware about people, those who are doing research on your area where you're working in Tamil Nadu, but the same research which is happening in Hyderabad or in West Bengal. So you want to have that kind of collaborations even in future. This networking really helps out a lot. This research networking has given fruitful results with respect to resources and collaboration, funding and expertise. You want to know the expertise people on a particular research area. It happen because of this networking. You can gain access to resources and funding and expertise. The major important aspect of this networking is you can build a relationship and foster collaboration, and you can stay updated on research trends and opportunity. That's why I told you ResearchGate. ResearchGate is one of the social networking platform through which you can connect with your domain area people, and you can have a discussion, you can critique, and you can publish you can share your own article for the critical perspective of others who is working on your own domain. So you will come to know where to improvise and what are the problems you have faced, how to rectify it. That can be known by using this kind of networking platforms. Whether you have a profile in Insta, Snapchat, or that is not important. But as a researcher or as academician, we should have profile on some of the academic social networking platforms such as Google Scholar, ResearchGate, and you should have profile in Researcher ID, Web of Science ID, Scopus, and ORC ID, Open Researcher Contributor ID. That identifies a lot of network among you people, and it collaborates with the various aspects. Okay, and the benefits of research collaboration. So what are the various other benefits we will get out of it for as a researcher and doing research collaboration with other people? One is like diverse perspective. With a single viewpoint, you can be deviated from multiple viewpoints. You may have a different aspect of ideology from various people, which really enhances the creativity and innovation. So the diverse perspective of knowledge is possible if we do research collaboration. That really gets more citation too. And we will get a sort of very good update among the world arena. You may be thinking with your own region or your own available resources. But what happens if you go for this kind of collaboration, you will come to know what are all the diversified options and applications are available in the world level arena. They can give a lot of expertise knowledge to you. That is possible. And you can have a shared workload. If you are taking a problem statement which needs a lot of manpower to work, really this research collaboration will share the task, making complex projects and more manageable. You can manage and you can give a very good result can be expected, which is very much useful for the effective societal implications. And access to funding and resources. These collaborative projects often attract more grants and resources. Whenever, as academician, we apply for any research proposals and grants, that people, those who are in the position to approve your projects, they are looking towards what kind of collaborative projects you have done, what are collaborative in nature, and how much outcome you have created out of it as a collaborator. That is actually looked into. So for in that context, this collaborative projects often attracts more grants and resources. Instead, if you are applying for as an individual. And skill development, that sure, there's opportunity to learn a new methodologies or techniques from the peer group. So as you are connected with the various peer group, it really strengthens your skill set, and you are in the position to acquire new skills in order to develop your research methodologies and techniques can be enhanced. All these are possible. It also helps to increase your publication and citation impact. The quantity is not a matter here. How many number of publications you have created is not going to be the matter. How effectively it gives a result. The quality of the publication and the will be reflecting in terms of matter. It research collaboration will improve your citation impact. If your citation impact is getting improved, ultimately the H index, the personal score of every individual H index will be getting improved. Based on your H index, your proposals will be accepted. So all are interrelated. How it is you are going to make use of it, that is truly it's based on in the current generation, we are in the position to collaborate with each other, with the institution, with the likely minded institution, those who are working on the same research area. That is all we have to look into, right? It really strengthens your networking and collaboration opportunities. And how to identify the potential collaborators? This is a next question you may have it in your mind. How you are going to identify the potential collaborator? One is like through your